Meaning of efficacy.
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 Efficacy. Efficacy refers to the ability of something, such as a medicine or treatment, to produce the desired effect. It measures how well a product or intervention works in achieving its intended outcome. For example, the efficacy of a vaccine or drug is determined by how well it can prevent or cure a disease. A high level of efficacy indicates that the treatment is effective and produces significant results. However, it is important to note that efficacy does not necessarily mean that the treatment is safe or practical for use in all situations.